What's up, YouTube? How you doing? Hope everybody's doing good, living the best life that they can. Today, we will be taking a look at Mokose. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Web camera, FYI, I like it a lot. Now, let's find out why right after the intro. Before we get into good and bad, let me tell you why I chose to get this webcam. I was looking for a lightweight camera and something that I could dedicate as a web camera and a top-down camera for reviews I do on my desk. I was using my DSL G7, but switching back and forth my DSLR for doing other things became a little cumbersome. And I didn't want to buy another DSL camera just to use as a web camera. So I was considering getting a high-end web camera when I came across this camera on Amazon. Right now, I'm using it to record this video. It's not too bad, but it's not the greatest. I'm thinking about trying different lenses, maybe something that's a little bit more towards low light than this lens. But I like this camera a lot because it's small and lightweight. It has a screw mount on top and bottom of the camera and an interchangeable C-mount 6 to 12 millimeter wide angle lens and a 1 1/8 sensor and a single USB connection with a 3 millimeter cable. What I don't like about this camera is the lens. It's a little bit difficult to adjust. It's very, very sensitive. And the other thing I don't like about this camera is the white balance. Let me show you. Right now, I'm using my own personal settings. But if I put it on auto, it looks like this. A little bit too warm for my taste. So you should know auto balance is pretty much trash. But everything else about the camera is good. Overall, I say it's a good camera. I'm pretty much satisfied, but I will be trying other lenses, maybe get a little bit better low light performance. Thank you for watching. This has been a quick video about stuff I purchased on Amazon. If you like this type of thing, I buy quite a few things off Amazon. I'm planning on buying a few more things. So if you want to get quick and dirty, easy to understand reviews, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, dislike this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.